You can accept payments in Smartwerks POS with EBizCharge. EBizCharge is fully integrated to Smartwerks, so there's no development time and no learning curves. EBizCharge is compatible with the Vega 3000, which allows you to securely accept EMV payments. When you're ready to accept a payment, insert your card into the Vega 3000. EBizCharge will process the payment and show the approved transaction. You can even have receipts emailed to you and your customer. Through our PCI-compliant security, EBizCharge tokenizes and secures customer credit card information and reduces your liability with off-site data storage. As a manager, have access to advanced reporting tools. Easily build customizable reports to gain insight into the metrics you care about most. You can also save time by having batch reports auto-delivered to your email inbox every day. Whether you're accepting payments on Smartwerks desktop or on the browser, EBizCharge works to simplify the process. And if you have any issues, EBizCharge has 24/7 complimentary support, training, and maintenance all in-house. And all of this with reduced processing rates. Go to EBizCharge.com to set up a demo today.